The Lightkeeper's Lantern. In the small coastal village of Windmere, there was an old man named Elias who took care of the lighthouse. The lighthouse, on a high cliff by the sea, had a lantern that helped guide many ships safely to shore through storms and fog. Elias was getting old, and climbing the stairs to light the lantern every evening was becoming hard for him. He worried about who would take care of the lantern after he couldn't do it anymore. No one in the village wanted to be the new lightkeeper. One stormy night, with lightning and thunder, a ship was seen struggling in the rough sea, needing help. Elias knew he had to light the lantern one last time to save the ship. With great effort, he began climbing the stairs. A young girl named Mara, who admired Elias and watched him often, followed him into the lighthouse. Seeing Elias struggle, Mara helped him. She carried the heavy oil can up the stairs, pushing against the strong wind. Together, they reached the top, and under Elias's guidance, Mara lit the lantern. The bright light from the lantern shone through the dark, stormy night, guiding the ship away from the dangerous rocks to safety. The crew was saved, and the village celebrated Mara's bravery. Elias knew he had found the right person to take his place. From that night, Mara became the new lightkeeper. Elias taught her everything about the sea, the weather, and how important the lighthouse was. Mara learned quickly, and the lantern shone brighter than ever. Years went by, and Mara became known as an excellent lightkeeper. Sailors were grateful for her help. The lighthouse was not just a safety beacon, but a symbol of courage and new beginnings. Elias watched Mara from the sidelines in his last years, feeling peaceful, knowing the lantern and village were in good hands. Mara, with each lantern she lit, continued to inspire others, just like Elias had inspired her. The Lightkeeper's lantern remained a symbol of the strong human spirit and the bond between keepers who passed on its light.